Hi, my name is Carl and I'll be serving you today. Can I get you something to drink? Can I get you something to drink? I'm sorry, we don't have that. Would you like to hear about our house specials? The special today is a hamburger and french fries with a house salad. Okay, what kind of wine? Our house wine is quite good. Would you like some dessert? We have a delicious chocolate cheesecake. Would you like anything else? I'll bring you a glass of water. Of course. I'll be back in a moment. I'll be right back with your wine. I'll be right back with your salad. I'll be right back with your lunch. I'll be right back with your dessert. Of course. I'll be right back with your check. I'll be right back with your check. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Excuse me? I beg your pardon? Here you go.